Stop searching for random DLLs. If you see the System Web MVC Library DLL error, I have the verified Windows level solution. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's begin. Access the official System Web MVC Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the System Web MVC Library, the Microsoft ASP.NET MVC execution library. It manages the model view controller architectural patterns for .NET web-based applications and localized dashboard portals. If missing, specialized enterprise data tools will report an assembly mismatch, preventing any web-driven data visualization. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall ASP.NET MVC. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the System Web MVC library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Manual intervention with System Web MVC Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for System Web MVC Library. If System Web MVC Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.